Hello, James Grady here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video it's going to be a bit different to my usual videos. It's brought to you by James Farragher. If you don't know who James Farragher is, I will link up the introduction video to him and what he's all about in the description below, so you can check that out. But basically he helps brand owners get their web presence set up on their own e-commerce website. Usually the website builder that they use is Shopify because it's simply the most easy to get set up with. So in today's video he's running through with you exactly how you can go about setting up your first Shopify site and how you can just sign up for the free trial and get started using Shopify to build your own e-commerce website for your own brand of products. Over the next while, James Farragher will be putting together a lot of these types of videos, and they will be on the Internet Biz Uni channel, so hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos in the future, and make sure to ask any questions that you have in regards to Shopify or creating your own website for your own e-commerce brand below this video so that we can answer them in future videos. But now I will just pass you over to James, where he will show you exactly how you can go about starting your free trial on Shopify.
Hello, this is James Farragher from the InternetBizUni.com, and in this video I'm just going to show you how to set up your free trial for your Shopify store. So you get 14 days free, as you can kind of see on screen there now, and simply when you get to the sign up area, and you'll see a link in the description of this video, you just fill out your details. So james@internetbizuni.com, enter a password, and the example store we're going to use is called Yoga Panda Store. So you just simply create that, and one thing I would say is just to be sure you have the correct email address in here, because that's what your admin account will be set up with. And it can be a small bit awkward to get that changed again if for some reason you got logged out of your account. So let's create this store. So there's a small bit of thought as well that has to go into your into picking the name of your admin area, is what I just did there. So that the URL that I picked there, so it's Yoga Panda Store, it'll be .myshopify.com. And that's the area that I will always log in to my admin area, so the back end of the store. So so you can pick whatever you want in this situation. So I'm just going to pick starting at 0, and I'm just going to click on that. It doesn't matter a whole lot. Just fill out information here any old way. Okay, I'm just going to randomly, don't want any unexpected phone calls. So, okay, and that's all it takes to get straight into your store. And then for setting up your website, you would just click on online store, but we'll go through that in a later video. And you have an option to pick a number of different themes. So the default theme that's set up with your store is called Debut. And you can check all the different free themes, which I would recommend having a look at before you even think about a paid theme. And you can explore them all here in this area. So there's quite a few options there. So you can play around with all of them. And that is the most I wanted to cover in this. It's just getting your trial set up so you can have a look at all the different areas. And the follow-up videos to this will all document the important areas to focus on at the very start. So if you like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel, and also remember to any questions you have, just put them in the comments area of this video as well. Okay, thank you.